Oh wow, what a beauty. And today marks its 1 month since it was produced. It was produced exactly May 18th. And for my car's birthday, I thought it would be nice to add an accessory. Some new shoes. Well, not some rims, but some new foot pedals. So, let's open up the trunk and see what we have here. Okay, here are the foot pedals, all packaged up. Here we are. Gifts for the Model 3 foot pedals. So we're going to install these and see how it works. I watched a few videos on installation, and difficulty level shouldn't be that hard. Let's see how it works. Let's see how we're going to do this. I'm going to have to put this down because I know I'm going to be having to get down this tight space over here. Yeah. So let's add these new things to our Model 3. So that's the right pedal. Looks pretty good. And now let's do the left pedal. And there we have it. Installation complete. Took about 5 minutes, but it looks a whole lot better. And remember, you're going to have to remove this. This is the old pedal before you install it. Took about 1 minute. Yeah, it looks really good. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.